Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best product to clean foggy headlights you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product to clean foggy headlights in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit. If your vehicle's headlights have become dull, foggy, or yellowed due to sun damage or aging, the SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit is an excellent solution to bring them back to life. The sanding step is particularly important and requires patience. The SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit will restore your lenses to a like-new appearance at a fraction of the cost of replacing all new lenses on your vehicle. It might feel intimidating initially, but as you move through the grits, the cloudiness begins to fade, revealing smoother, clearer headlights. The SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit is an outstanding product for anyone looking to restore their headlights without spending hundreds of dollars at a professional shop. While it requires a bit of elbow grease, the results are well worth it. 3 easy steps to restore long-lasting UV protection to your headlights. Step 1. Surface Activator. Proprietary activator softens plastic, making it easier to sand smooth. Step 2. Sand and polish. Step 3. Finish and seal with UV Block Clear Coat Applicator. Use the wet sanding technique described in your instruction sheet, using the 400, 1000 and 2000 grits and paper included in the box. This will remove corrosion. This UV Block Clear Coat is a specially formulated polymer coating with active and passive UV blockers. This is the component that gives you long-lasting results. Our second best product to clean foggy headlights is CERAKOTE Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. This Tongvio 10X PTZ camera has HDMI and USB 3.0 video outputs which can output video simultaneously. Plug-and-play HDMI and USB 2.0 port are available to connect to TV/monitor. Video compression format, YUV, MJPEG, H.264, makes church live or video conference more fluent and clear. Note, NO bit-in mic. The entire process took about 30 to 40 minutes per headlight. The kit is designed for a one-time restoration, so if you have multiple vehicles or want to use it again in the future, you'll need to purchase another kit. The 3-step approach, cleaning, sanding, and applying the ceramic coating, is straightforward and doesn't feel overwhelming. It is equipped with a 1/2.8-inch HD color CMOS with 2.38 megapixel, 16:9, full HD 1080p output resolution and high dynamic image of 60 frames per second. The superior 10x optical zoom lens has a wide-angle FOV of 62.8 degree W-7.8 degree T without distortion, which has excellent white balance and exposure mode. The menu of the remote control can set picture parameters. Recommended for a medium to large church or meeting room, the CERAKOTE Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit is an outstanding product that delivers professional-grade results at home. Third pick in our list is Meguiar's Ultimate Headlight Restoration Kit. If your vehicle's headlights are looking dull, hazy, or yellowed, Meguiar's Ultimate Headlight Restoration Kit is a reliable solution. It combines quality, ease of use, and long-lasting results. The kit delivers exceptional clarity. After following the steps, my headlights looked almost brand new, with no haze or yellowing left. The improved brightness was instantly noticeable at night. The kit includes a sanding system, a microfiber towel, and Meguiar's proprietary Plastex polish, along with their headlight coating for UV protection. Everything you need is in the box, making it convenient, The included sanding pad is designed to be used with a drill, which makes the process faster and less labor-intensive compared to manual kits. For those who own a drill, this feature is a big plus. One standout feature is the protective coating, which helps keep the headlights clear for up to a year or more. This is a significant improvement over kits that don't offer long-term protection. The process, including sanding, polishing, and applying the UV coating, took about an hour for both headlights. Number 4 in our side is 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. The 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit is a highly effective solution for restoring foggy, oxidized, or yellowed headlights. Designed with 3M's trusted abrasives and coatings, this kit promises professional-grade results for DIY enthusiasts. The kit includes sanding discs, a polishing pad, and 3M's proprietary rubbing compound. 3M Headlight Lens Restoration Kit is a collection of professional-grade products assembled specifically for removing the cloudy, yellowed haze that builds up on automotive headlight lenses. Kits use a system of light abrasives to keep vehicles looking great and save money versus replacing expensive lenses. The materials feel premium, ensuring consistent performance throughout the process. The step-by-step instructions are straightforward, even for first-time users. They guide you through sanding, polishing, and applying the UV protection coat without confusion. The multi-step process, including 3 stages of sanding, polishing, and clear coating, can be time-consuming. Expect to spend at least an hour per headlight for optimal results. The kit is designed for one restoration session, so you'll need a new kit for additional vehicles or future restorations. The 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit is an excellent choice for car owners looking for professional quality results at home. Last in our best product to Clean Foggy Headlights list is Chemical Guys Gap 11516 Headlight Restore. The Chemical Guys Gap 11516 Headlight Restore and Protect is a straightforward and effective solution for revitalizing foggy, yellowed headlights. It's especially appealing for those who want a quick and simple way to restore their headlights without a multi-step process. This product is incredibly easy to use. It's a simple rub-on and buff-off application, requiring minimal effort and no special tools like drills or sanders. Headlight Restore not only cleans but protects. After restoring clarity, it seals the surface to guard against harmful elements that cause yellowing, oxidation, and cloudiness, ensuring long-lasting performance in all weather conditions. Chemical Guys Headlight Restorer is simple to apply.